In this video, you'll learn how to connect Calendly to Make.com so your scheduling can flow smoothly into your automations. We'll walk through the connection process step by step, and I'll also point out a few tips along the way so you know exactly what you're doing and why. Let's start inside your Make.com scenario. Once you're in the scenario editor, you'll see a large plus icon in the canvas area. This is how you add a new module, which is basically one building block in your automation. Go ahead and click that big plus button. This opens the module search window where you can choose which app you want to work with. In the search bar that appears, type Calendly. As you type, Make.com will filter the list of apps for you, and you should see Calendly show up as an option. Click on Calendly to select it. This tells Make you want to add a Calendly module into your scenario. Next, you'll be asked to choose what you want this Calendly module to do. Depending on your needs, you might set it up as a trigger or as an action. A common trigger is something like watch events, which means Make.com will listen for new Calendly events such as new bookings and then start your scenario whenever one of those happens. If you're just getting started and want to react whenever someone schedules a meeting with you, watch events is usually a great choice. You can also choose an action instead, which is something Make runs based on another trigger, like sending data to Calendly or updating information there. For now, pick the trigger or action that best matches what you want to automate. Once you select your trigger or action, the module settings panel will open on the right side of the screen. This is where you connect your Calendly account so Make.com can access your scheduling data securely. In this panel, you'll see an option that says something like add or create a connection. Click that button. When you click to create a connection, a new window or pop-up will open, prompting you to sign in and authorize the connection. You'll be asked to log into your Calendly account if you're not already signed in. Follow the prompts, review the permissions that Make.com is requesting, and confirm that you want to allow access. This step is important because it gives Make.com permission to read your Calendly events or perform actions on your behalf, depending on the module you chose. After authorization is complete, the connection will appear in the module settings as a selectable option. Make sure that New Calendly Connection is selected. From there, you can finish configuring any remaining fields in the module, like choosing which event types to watch or what data you want to work with. Even though those details depend on your specific setup, the key part is that your Calendly account is now successfully linked to Make.com, and that's all there is to it. You added a Calendly module by clicking the large plus button, searched for and selected Calendly, chose a trigger or action such as watch events, and then created a new connection directly from the module settings. Now you're ready to build out the rest of your automation and make the most of your Calendly bookings inside Make.com.